The students of class 3. Now it's your SST class social studies, and in your social studies we will learn our country. We will learn our country. Do you know what is the name of our country? You read in class 3 and you have to tell me what is the name of our country. Yes, India. India is the name of our country. The name of our country is India. Do you know how many states are there? Because it's a big country and it is divided into states and union territories. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay, and what is the capital of our country? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. And today we will also learn about our national flag, national anthem, national song, and a word. Okay, first national flag. You know that all independent country has a national flag, and India has also a national flag. And our national flag has three colors. First, saffron. At the top of our national flag, saffron. Next, in the middle, white, and there is green at the bottom. And remember, there is a circle, means a wheel. Okay, there is a wheel in our national flag, and it has 24 spokes. Do you know 24 spokes? And 24 spokes symbolize 24 hours. Okay, and there is a, this is called Ashok Chakra. Next, national anthem. What is our national anthem? It's very easy. You will recite national anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Very good. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. And who has written our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore, famous poet Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. And our national song is Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And another word, okay, our national emblem. Okay, national emblem. National emblem is adopted from the Ashok pillar at Sarnath. Okay, and there is a phrase Satyameva Jayate. Remember, Satyameva Jayate means truth only triumphs. Okay, মানে সত্যই থাকবে, সত্যই জয় হবে. And now we will learn about our national festivals. Okay, we have our national festivals like Republic Day. Republic Day. Do you tell me what are the other national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so when do we celebrate Republic Day? Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Independence Day, 15 August. And Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Now, why do we celebrate? We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Okay. On this day, why do we celebrate Republic Day? Because on this day, in 1950, the Constitution of India adopted, and the Constitution of, remember, the Constitution of India was composed by Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next, Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August because on this day, India became a free country. Okay. And Gandhi Jayanti, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October to respect the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And many freedom fighters gave their lives for the freedom of our country, and we respect them and we always remember them. Now about the Indian rupee. Indian rupee, do you know? Indian rupee. Who has designed the symbol of Indian rupee? Dharmalingam Uday Kumar has designed the symbol of Indian rupee. Okay, Dharmalingam Uday Kumar. Dharmalingam Uday Kumar. He has designed the symbol of Indian rupee, and you have to know. So you have to remember some national symbols like national animal. Do you know what is our national animal? Tiger. National flower. National flower. Who can tell me you have read in class 2 national flower? Yes, lotus. National bird. Who can tell me national bird? Peacock. You have read in class 2. Okay, national bird peacock. National. Do you know what is on national sport? Hockey. National tree. Do you know national tree? Banyan. National river Ganga. Okay, and you have also you have to read the national symbols like national animal tiger, national flower lotus, national bird peacock, national sport hockey, and national tree banyan. Now another topic for you, word notes. You have to memorize the word notes like first word in your book. Okay, chakra. Chakra, queen. Okay. Next, Satyameva Jayate means truth or literary. You have to memorize the word meaning from your book at page number 3, and also underline the lines I have referred in your worksheet 3. Underline the lines and read these lines carefully. Okay. And remember, our national flag is also known as Tiranga. Okay, is that clear? Okay, thank you.